Good morning, students. Today we shall continue with exercise 4.4. Yesterday we completed question number 1 and today we are going to start with question number 2. Okay. Here in this question we have to find the LCM of the following number. See, in this question it is clearly said find LCM of the following number, but the method is not mentioned. Clear? Method is not mentioned, whether it is prime factorization method or division method. In this case, when the method is not mentioned, we will be using only division method. We will be using only division method. So here we are going to start question number 2. So what is today's date? 15/7/2020. 15 July 2020. And we are going to start question number 2 of exercise 4.4. What is the question? Here, find out the LCM by division method. So, solution. Clear? Create an LCM box. Start with 2's table. 2 10s are 20. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Clear? Next. 2 5s are 10 and 25 is not divisible by 2. So 25 will remain 25. Now next prime number is 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. 25 is also not divisible by 3. So take 4. Again both the numbers are not divisible by 4. Take 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Again it is divisible by 5. 1 will remain 1 and 5 1s are 5. So here we have got the prime factors as 2, 2, 5 and 5. So write 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Therefore, LCM of 20 and 50 equals to 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Clear? 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. 25s are 100. 25s are 100. You need to know all the tables. Clear? So this is the division method of finding LCM of the given number. Clear? So what is the LCM of 20 and 50? 100. Clear? Next, we'll do one more question. Let's check. Let's take question number F. Question number F. This was A. Now question number F. 6, 15 and 25. Find LCM of 6, 15 and 25. Clear? Solution. Six, 15 and 25. Clear? Start with 2's table. 2 into what makes 6? 2 3s are 6. Clear? 15 is there in 2's table? No. So write it as it is. 25 is also not divisible by 2. So write it as it is. Next, see, look at all the numbers carefully. 3, 15 and 25 are not divisible by 2. So we'll take next number, which is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 25 is not divisible by 3, so write it as it is. Now, next check all the numbers. 1, 5, 25 are not divisible by 3. So take another number, next number, which is 4. It is not divisible by 4. So take 5. Yes, it is divisible by 5. 1 will remain 1 only. 5 ones are 5. Clear? 5 fives are 25. Now, again 1, 5 and 5. 5 is divisible by 5. So take again 5. 1 will remain 1. 1, 5 ones are 5. Clear? So we have got the prime factors here. 2, 3, 5 and 5. Once again, we'll check the LCM by division method. We have taken 2 as the prime factor. 2 3s are 6. 2, 15 is not divisible by 2. So 15 will remain 15. 25 is not divisible. So 25 will remain 25 only. Now, 3, 15 and 25 is not divisible by 2. So we have taken 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 fives are 15. 25 is not divisible by 3. So 25 will be written as it is. Now 5 ones are 5. 1 will remain 1 only. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. Okay. Now 5. 1 will remain 1. 1. 5 ones are 5. Clear? Now, what are the factors? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Therefore, LCM of 6, 15 and 25 equals to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Clear? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. 30 5s are 150. If you don't know, 3 5s are 15 and 0 will be there. So, clear? So, here we have found the LCM of 6, 15 and 25 in a very easy method. You have to use the same method to find the LCM of all the other questions, rest of all questions. Like, you have to try these questions. Question number B, C, D, F and G. A and F is done by me. So B, C, D, E and G you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now, what is the next question? Find the LCM of the following numbers. Find the LCM of the following numbers. Question number 3. Clear? A. The same method we have to use, but these numbers are 3-digit number. Little bigger. The process and the method will be same. Clear? So, 1 I'll do for you. 108 and 180. Clear? Again, create a LCM box. 108, 180. Clear? Always start with the least prime number. The least prime number is 2 and check whether 108 and 180 is divisible by 2 or not. To check it, you need to know the divisibility of each number. In the previous classes, you have learned about the divisibility test of numbers. Okay, so we are going to start as we are seeing that the digit at ones place is what? Even number. even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 2 into what makes 10? 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, zeros are 0. Okay, watch it carefully. If you have any doubt, you will be asking. Okay, now again see both the digit at ones place are even number, so we are going to start with 2 only. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Now see both the numbers are odd number which is not divisible by 2. So take 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Clear? 3 1s are 3, 5 will remain 5, and now 5 1s are 5. Clear? So we have got these as prime factors. Clear? So write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Therefore, LCM of 108 and 180 equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Clear? Now multiply all the numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 3s are, you need to multiply 36 into 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 3 are 108. Now 108 into 5, 5 8s are 40, 4 will here, 5 1 5, 540. Clear? So what is the LCM of 108 and 180? 540. Clear? Do it carefully, slowly. Do it slowly. Once you are doing a question slowly and you understand the way of solving a question, you can easily solve any bigger number you can solve. Clear? So today we have completed question 2 and question 3 of exercise 4.4. In the next class, we shall start with applications of HCF and LCM. Applications of HCF and LCM in our daily life. Okay. Now here you have to write question number B by yourself. You have to solve question number B by yourself. Till then, bye bye. Solve all the questions.